In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on ZOHO CRM, which is free forever. First, let's start by navigating to the ZOHO CRM website. Just open your web browser and type in the URL, which is zoho.com/CRM. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign up for a new account. This is going to be your gateway into an efficient customer relationship management experience. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is enter your full name in the designated field. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring every detail is correct will save you from any potential hassles down the line. Make sure to use your real name, as this adds a level of professionalism to your CRM activities. Next, enter your email address. It's important to use an email that you check frequently, as ZOHO will use this for verification and communication purposes. After you've inputted your email, you'll want to think of a strong password. It's all about security, so use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special characters to create a robust password that will protect your account. Once you've tackled your password, you'll need to choose the country associated with your mobile phone number. ZOHO needs this information to tailor regional settings and serve you better. Selecting your correct mobile country ensures that any SMS notifications or confirmations are correctly routed to your device. After you've selected your country, go ahead and enter your phone number. This is crucial, especially if there's a need for two-factor authentication or verification. A mobile number adds another layer of security to your account, ensuring that the information you manage stays secure. Now, before we move forward, there's one more critical step. You'll see a checkbox asking you to agree to the terms of service. It's essential to read through these terms so you're aware of your rights and responsibilities. Once you're satisfied, click the checkbox to proceed. Finally, you'll find a big button that says Get Started. Before hitting this, make sure everything you've entered is accurate. Once you click Get Started, ZOHO will send a one-time password or OTP to the email or phone number you provided. This step is vital for verifying your identity, so keep an eye out for this message. Once you receive the OTP, enter it on the website to complete the registration process. Congratulations! You've just set up your ZOHO CRM account, which is free forever. With this setup, you're on your way to efficiently managing customer relationships and streamlining your operations. Feel free to explore the various features and integrations that ZOHO CRM offers. Happy CRM managing!